it's Han from Guyana, and today we will be doing a video that will be life on the farm, which is basically going to be like the chores that we take care of on the farm. And the first one is stripping time, because I don't know if you know this, but we have a lot of time on our farm. So we strip the time and put it in a bucket, and then put it to dry in a time shed at the bottom runway. So this is our time drying shed. We wash this plastic every time we use it. Like after every time we put time to dry on it. And now we throw the time to put to dry. We have to spread it out so it doesn't get like damp can come out the wetness. And over there we have already dried time. So this is already dried and it can be packed, so now we're gonna pack it so we sell it to a man outside of the village, and then he exports it. This is another way we cut time. We trim the whole bush.
Use this.
So we just leave it here to dry. The thyme has been drying for about a week, and all the thyme leaves have fallen off. So my mom is just taking off the excess leaves and taking away the branches. All the branches are out, and these are the leaves. We put the thyme leaves through the mesh to get rid of the smaller sticks, to like sift it out. So that's what's left, and after this we bag it off and we send it out so it can get milled, and then we sell to at local market to make seasoning. You have to be very careful because we found a scorpion under the plastic. Because we live in a rainforest, always be careful. Time to plant some seedlings. This is pak choy. We bought these seedlings from the plant shop. This is coriander, and this is parsley. This is lettuce, and this is celery that was already planted. Now we have to water them. This is tomato, and this is a drip irrigation line. When we want to water it, we can just turn on the pump and it will water the tomatoes. So now we are collecting these dry coconuts to plant, to grow new coconut trees, to replant and to sell. But you also have to shake it and hear the water inside to make sure that they're good to replant. So now it's time to set the coconuts. So in order for us to know which angle to plant them, we drop them in a bucket of water, and whichever side floats needs to be facing upwards. And look, this one is already sprouting, and here is the root. And when they get to this stage, we can replant them in the place that we want them to be replanted, and we can also sell them. We have got a lot of dry coconut branches to clean up here. Use the coconut branches for mulch to keep the roots of the tree cool and the soil moist and the soil healthy by keeping the microbes active. Now it's all tidy. Now my dad is planting seeds. These are pepper seeds. Covering them up. And my dad is punching holes in the tray for the plants so that the water can drain out and also the roots can breathe. Seeds are tomato seeds which have never been in the village before, so my dad is introducing this plant to the village. And the fruit is very tasty. Now we are gonna plant some bora. So now we put 3 seeds in one spot or one area where the plant is gonna grow because they can grow up the stick together. We have to cover it with this bottle because there's a cricket that likes to eat it when it now bursts out. So this is to protect it. So this one we planted about 2 weeks ago. It's growing healthy. We also cover with the bottle from the crickets so that we don't have to use pesticides and chemicals because we want our bora to grow organically. It's been about 4 to 5 weeks and now we're going to wrap the bora plants. You have to stick it in about 6 inches away and then take the vine and like wrap it around so it can grow up the stick.
Don't stick from you.
Like that. We are all finished. Now, after all of that hard work, it's time to pick the bora to eat. Look at how long these ones are. And these are all organically grown bora. So the different varieties, and this bora is purple. And these dry ones we are going to pick for seeds, so when these plants dry up, we will be able to plant more. Cycle starts again. From these, we're going to plant new bora seeds to grow into more plants. Now I'm helping my dad pick bananas. We have to pick them green because if we leave them to ripen on the tree, the birds will get there before us. This is when the birds got. We didn't see it and it ripened and they got there before us, and there's only 4 left on it. We hand off the bunch so it can ripe faster and also pack better. Now they are beginning to ripen, and if they're too much to eat, we sell them in the village. And I'm sorry, but you can't get one. They're all for me. So now my dad is going to be planting a type of palm tree. And this type of palm has never been in the village before, so he's introducing it to the village. And the type of palm, Mina know it. I have no idea what the name is. It came from Region 1, so it's Region 1 palm. We have lots of fruits on the farm, and so we need to pick them, and now I'm gonna pick pawpaw. This is where cashew nuts come from. This is our very own organically grown cashew tree. This is the fruit, and these are the cashew nuts. These are the seeds. There's a plantain bunch. Now we chop out the tree to get the root. We can sell the root. Because then they'll grow into another tree. Now we're gonna dig out the roots so we can replant them or sell them to someone who wants to replant them.
Bajiri. Eso descaldo in our Coco.
There's enough.
Big clutch.
So that's still good for sale?
Mm-mm.
Come on. Puppy? Puppy? Cuddly. So now weeding. What do you call this? We call it belange. And I know another name for it, which is eggplant, but what do you call it? Anyways, I think I'll be here for a while. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye until the next time.